Good morning, everybody. So in last video we have seen numerical based on Shannon theorem, which is basically based on noisy channel. If the channel is noisy, we are going to use this Shannon theorem. So we saw this question in last video, isn't it, in which we are supposed to calculate the capacity of the channel, and the two parameters are given to us, that is bandwidth and your signal is to noise ratio. So ultimately, directly by putting the values, we are able to get the output. That is all about your capacity. But this may not be case every time that you are going to get the signal is to noise ratio directly. Rather, you may be given the signal is to noise ratio in decibel form. So ultimately, we are supposed to convert this decibel into SNR, and then ultimately we are going to put the value in that formula in order to get the capacity of the given channel. So let me read out the question for you. So it is saying the signal is to noise ratio is often given in decibel. So assume that SNR, that is signal is to noise ratio in decibel, is 36, and the channel bandwidth is given to you is 2 megahertz. Calculate the theoretical channel capacity. So again we are going to apply the same formula, but here first of all we are going to convert this decibel into SNR, simple signal is to noise ratio, and the formula for that is given as signal is to noise ratio in decibel is equal to 10 log base 10 signal is to noise ratio. So we are going to put the value. So 36 was given in your decibel, and this 36 is going to be taken care in that formula. So 36 is equal to 10 log base 10 signal is to noise ratio. So after putting this value, we are going to get log base 10 signal is to noise ratio is equal to 3.6, and ultimately signal is to noise ratio is equal to 10 to the power 3.6. So by using the property of log, that is this base 10 is going to become the base, and 3.6 is going to become the power of the given base. So ultimately we got SNR is equal to 3981. Clear? So now this value we are going to put directly into the formula in order to get the output, that is channel capacity. So the capacity is given in this way, that we already know capacity is equal to bandwidth multiplied by log base 2 1 plus SNR. Now we got this SNR from that decibel. We converted from decibel to direct SNR value. And now we are going to put the value. So 2 multiplied by log base 2, 3982. So in rough figure, we are going to get the capacity as your 24 megahertz. Practically we are not getting 24 megahertz, so we are getting some number which is little bit less than this 24, because log base 2 3982 is not exactly equivalent to 12. So 12 into 2, that is 24. So rather this value is little bit less. Otherwise, if it would have been in the form of 2 raised to the power 12, directly we are going to get 24 as an output. So but here also students are facing problem that how we are going to calculate log base 2, because in calculator you may not be getting the value of log in base 2. So we are supposed to use some property of log in order to calculate this log base 2. So how we are going to proceed? So if you want to see, let me open that calculator. And but before proceeding, let me show how we are going to go for changing the base. So from log base 2 to log base 10, how we are doing that? So basically it is done in this way. So let me write the formula. So log base 2, so log base 2, any number, so x is there, can be written as log x by log 2. Clear? So here we can put any of the log. So since log base 10 is given to us, clear? That is, it is there in the calculator, we can go for log base 10. So here we can put log base 10. If you are going to put log base 10, so in numerator and denominator, you are supposed to put log base 10. So that is compulsory. So by using this change of base, we can calculate the value of log base 2, 3982. So let me show how we are going to calculate by using calculator, which is not going to have log base 2. So we are going to convert log base 2 into log base 10. So go for scientific calculator. Now here this LG is there, isn't it? So LG is basically, this is your log base 10. So log base 10, clear? So log base 10 in denominator we are going to go for log base 10 2. So log base 10 is there and 2 is all about this big number. And you must remember this number because you may not be getting that calculator. So in that case you can divide by this number and ultimately you are going to get the output. So this is coming out to be 0.301. So you have to remember this number. Clear? So we are going, since log base 10 2 is in denominator, so we are going to take 1 by x of this because it is in denominator. So 1 by x, that is this number to the power minus 1, that is 1 by x is all about 3.3219. Some big number is given to us. Some big number we are going to get by using this calculator. Now this number has to be multiplied by log base 10, the number that is given. So we are going to multiply it by log, again same, log base 10. Clear? Log base 10. The number was 3982 and bracket close. So ultimately we got 11.95. Clear? 11.95 is our output. So again going back to our main screen. Clear? So this entire 2 into this is all about this 11 point. We are going to get this number as your 11.95. We are going to multiply 11.95 into 2 and then ultimately we are going to get output. So it is not exactly, see, it is not exactly 12, that is 12 to the 24, rather it is 11.95 multiplied by 2. So exact number that we are going to get is this number. So hope that you got the concept and you understood the entire aspect of this Shannon based on this decimal value. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.